Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I got me a Soundcore Q30 and I'm out here because I want to swap over to this headphone right here. Is a 3D headphones, so you can hear all the surrounding real quick. You ready? You hear the fountain back there, you hear the birds chirping up there, kids kind of playing over there, and the traffic over in that direction. Right now we're gonna test this Q30. Ready? Very windy, very windy. All right, now noise cancellation on.
Transparency.
Whoops, that's transparency.
Noise cancelling.
This is noise cancelling right here.
Normal.
This is normal. This is not transparency, meaning it's not letting sound in. It's just you're just having an ear cup on your ear. That's it.
Transparency.
Now this is transparency. It's kind of letting in some noise. The next one is going to be noise cancellation.
Noise cancelling.
Okay. Okay, so now let's test some music on this with the noise surrounding like this. You ready?
Normal.
Normal mode.
Transparency.
Transparency.
Noise cancelling.
Noise cancelling. All right. Let's play a song. So that right there is that's some heavy bass stuff right there, right? Sounds pretty good, you think? Anyway, that's it right there. That's all I wanted to do, is I wanted to show you guys what that sounds like out here, real world environment with pretty much noise in the background, you know, ambient sound, that kind of stuff. It blocks out most of it, I noticed. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that. I'll see you in the next one.